Hey guys, Joey here of YugaTech, and we're kind of getting rolling already with our buyer's guide videos, and we've taken a look at so many categories so far. Smartphones at different price ranges, we've gotten into laptops, last video it was TVs, and we're continuing on that category. So for this video, it's going to be our top picks for the cheapest 55-inch TVs you can get in the Philippines. So without any further ado, let's jump into it. First, a quick disclaimer. The prices we're gonna be mentioning in this video are the prices of the products at the time of shooting. So depending on when you actually watch this video, the prices might be different. So to avoid further confusion, we're also gonna be including the SRP of each of the products, and we're also gonna leave the links down in the description to help you no matter when you watch this video. So this list is gonna be structured from cheapest all the way to the most expensive. Let's get started. First up is the Ace LED-805 DN4. So being the cheapest on this list, it's not a smart TV. You could say it's a dumb TV, but it does support screen mirroring. It's got slim bezels. It's got a 4K resolution already. The cheapest one on this list is a 55-inch 4K TV, really nice. And it's a very power efficient TV too, with a power consumption of only 60 watts. We found it on Lazada for 17,599 pesos. Next up, we have the Avision 55K786. So it's only a Full HD TV, not 4K, but it is a smart TV, not running Android TV, but a Linux-based system. It's got 2 years service and parts warranty. Slim design. We found it on Shopee for 18,879 pesos. Next up is the Hisense 55K303. It's a 55-inch Full HD smart TV. It's got any view, cast, and stream. You get energy-saving features and 2 years of manufacturer warranty. We found it on sale at Anson's for 23,350 pesos. Next up, we got the Promac LED-F5583M. So again, this one is a non-smart Full HD TV. We found it on Lazada for 23,980 pesos. Next one is a big fan favorite. Of course, this is gonna be the Xiaomi Mi TV 4S. It's a curved 4K TV with HDR10 support, so at this price range, it might be one of the prettiest TVs you can get. It's also a smart TV with Android TV built in. It's got great sound with Dolby Audio. And you know, the remote has a built-in microphone, so you get that nice voice control. It's available over at the Xiaomi official store for 24,995 pesos. Next up from Devant, we have the 55 LTV 800. It has a Full HD resolution. It's a smart TV. It's got any viewcast also, and you know, it comes with a free wall bracket. We found it on Lazada for 26,050 pesos. Next up is the TCL LED 55P6. So it's a 4K smart TV with Dolby Audio, HDR support, wide color gamut. We found it for 31,595 pesos over at Anson's. So now at this point, we're almost at the 40,000 peso price point. So for this, we got the SONY KD55X7007F. So it's a 4K HDR smart TV. You can also cast your smartphone via Miracast. We found it for 37,999 pesos over at Anson's. Next up, we got the Samsung UA55 NU7-100. So it's a 4K TV. It's got those slim bezels. And I think my favorite thing about this deal is it comes with a free JBL T450 headphones. It's also priced at 37,999 pesos over at Anson's. And last on our list is the LG 55UK6300. So it's a 4K HDR smart TV. You got that wide color gamut. Smart TV with LG WebOS 4.0. It's priced at 39,990 pesos over at Avision. So that's it for this list, guys. 55-inch TVs are definitely the most popular size right now, so I really hope this list helped you find one that can fit your budget. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit YugaTech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. This has been Joey, and I'll see you guys in the next one.